On this video, I will show you on how you can optimize your listing by just using your own reviews. So we will not use Helium 10 or any third-party tools like Django Scout and Helium 10, like what I said. And by the way, before we get started, I'm Alvin Santos. I'm from the Philippines, and I'm the owner of Adbox PPC, and will help Amazon sellers make more money by optimizing their ads. So I've been doing this for 6 years now. So let's get started. So let me show you the before and after of the optimized listing. So this is the before. This is how their title look like. It's very, very short. It doesn't have enough keywords, and it doesn't have that much detailed in it. So and this is the after. So it has more details, and as you can see, we mentioned no subscription because it's one of the benefits of buying this product. And in here, it doesn't have that, right? Then let's go with the bullet points. The bullet points, as you can see, it only has like one line for each bullet points. And in here, we discuss the benefits even further. And we're not focusing on specs that much because I've done a comparison with the top 10 automotive listing versus the average listing. And the top 10 listing are focusing mainly on the benefits, not on trying to showcase the specs of their products. So that's why I programmed this listing optimizer to be focused on the benefits instead of specs. So so what do you need to do in order to optimize your listing? So this is what my Claude looks like. Again, you can use ChatGPT, you can use Perplexity or Copilot, or whatever AI you prefer. So what I just did is I gave it an empty file. This is an instruction. So let me show you what it includes. So it includes the rules. It includes it's telling Claude how to optimize the listing properly. Because if you don't have this, Claude will be just a generic helper or something like that. So a generic helper doesn't know anything about Amazon listing, doesn't know about the rules, the best practices. So using this file that I created, so see, I don't know how many pages it has. Like, it has 13 pages. So it outlines the rules and the best practices on creating an optimized listing. So if you don't have this, your AI will give you like an AI flop listing or title and bullet points. Anyway, you get the point. So on top of that, I also gave it the reviews. So as you can see in here, this is the reviews of the product. And what I will recommend is for you to at least have 50 reviews, because if you only have like 5 reviews and it's from Vine, and I don't think it's gonna be a good source of data to be used for optimizing your title. So in here, I believe we have at least 50 in here. So from this reviews, I think it's enough for the AI to understand what's the good and bad about the product. Then the last one is the product itself. Also, the AI is instructed to search the product on the web as well. So it really understands your product. So it's not just assuming things, it's not just guessing. So it actually understands your products because, like what I said, it's instructed to understand your product. So it doesn't add like a feature that are not actually present to your product. Okay. So how would you get this? So this one, I will give it to you for free, and it's going to be under the description of this video. And for this one, this is the reviews. All you have to do is, let's say this is your listing. All you have to do is click this and then go down below, see more reviews. And then from here, all you have to do is go down, then show 10 more reviews, then scroll down again, then show 10 more reviews, then do it again and again to the point that you'll not be able to click that button anymore. So let's say you're done, go up, then to the top right, this has the 3 dots in here. Go to the print, then destination, save as PDF, then save, then save. So it showed an error because I already have it. Anyway, the next PDF that we need is the PDF or the listing itself. So go to your own listing. So we already have file that the two file, which is this one, then this one, then this is the only thing that we need. Then in here, go to the top right again, then print. Again, save as PDF, because if you choose this, it will be printed in your printer. So save. I will not save it anymore because it will throw an error since I already have it. So once you have those three things, go to your preferred AI, open a new chat, and then this is what I will recommend you to do is if you're using Claude, so you can get better results. Use Opus, then go to efforts, then click this thinking. So you're allowing the AI to process the data that you've given it longer. So it will not rush to answer. So yeah, once you have everything, the three files, just paste it in here. Then wait for, I don't know, 5 seconds, then send it. So what it will do first is it will read the MD file, this one, and then once it understood the assignment, it will now use this data point number 1, then data point number 2 to optimize your own listing. Of course, this listing optimizer is limited because it doesn't know which keyword has high search volume and which keyword has low search volume. But the good thing in here is this listing, this new title that you will get is based on your customer's vocabulary on how they speak. And if you have enough reviews, like what I said, I will recommend you to have at least 50. If you have enough reviews, the AI will be able to, I don't know, see the pattern of what what is your customer wants and what they don't want. So the AI will put more keywords about the things that they like, and it will put like an, I don't know, it will put like an objection handler or something like that in your listing to solve the keywords that, the things that your customers didn't want. I'm sorry that I'm sorry that I started on that a lot, but yeah, I think you get my point. So yeah, let's wait for this. It's gonna take like around 3 minutes, and let me show you this result already, so we don't need to wait anymore. So yeah, so in here it will give me the first is the title. Then you have two choices, title 1, title 2, and there's the bullet points in here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then there's also a description, so if you don't have A plus content, you can use this description. Then yep, the backend keyword. So yeah, you can copy this and paste it in there. And yeah, so let me check the one that we generated. So it's still running, and I think you already know the. Oh, okay, let's wait for it. So yeah, it generated almost the same thing that I showed you. So yeah, it will give you the title and bullet points. So you can now copy this and then you can slap it on your Amazon listing. But of course, AI can still make mistakes. So I will recommend you to check that out, to check it before pasting it in your Amazon listing. So yeah, I hope this video is helpful. And if you need help on your Amazon PPC, just go to adboxppc.com, then book a call, and I will do an audit in your listing and in your ads for free. So you don't need to pay a cent or even a dollar. So yeah, I hope again this video is helpful, and thanks for watching. Bye bye.